the Weather Center, you have been tracking these fires as well as this lightning that we've been having overnight.
Yeah, those fires up in the Dalles area, scary situation for them just because of how many homes were threatened by them. Again, firefighters continue to do an excellent job in that area, even with temperatures soaring back into the triple digits. And now we're about to see likely new fires even this morning as we had that lightning storm make its way through much of southern and central and western Oregon last night. Again, this picture sent in from Sarah Henson of the lightning right here in western Oregon. Sites like this were seen here across the state as those storms fired up over southern Oregon near Klamath County, made their way through the Cascades into the valley, and then continued to push into the northern valley overnight. Again, we did see frequent lightning from this. Lots of reports from viewers. Thank you for sending in your pictures and video overnight. We also had some gusty winds. Peak wind gusts right here at the Eugene Airport, 46 miles per hour. That's from the outdrafts from those thunderstorms, and it was enough to knock out power in some communities right here in Eugene and Springfield. We saw little rain with this, especially as you got down into the valley. There just wasn't much left. That rain's falling through such a dry atmosphere. Some places did see some brief downpours, but we didn't have any accumulations out at the Eugene Airport, and Corvallis only picked up 0.05 of an inch. So that's not much considering how many lightning strikes there were. Again, not enough to put out any fires. And then also we had those high temperatures in the mid-90s yesterday. So because we're going to see another round of that tonight, we're under this fire weather warning continuing all the way through Tuesday, as we'll likely see storms firing up again tonight and Tuesday night as well. On top of that, most of western Oregon within the boundaries of these orange lines here are under a heat advisory, and that continues through 9 o'clock tonight. Temperatures today will even be a couple degrees warmer than they were yesterday. A couple things going on. First of all, large ridge of high pressure here over the Pacific Northwest. And so that's what really brings in those high temperatures this time of year. But at the same time, we have this area of low pressure which is formed down in northern California. That's moving up from the south, and as it does, it's picking up that moisture, that counterclockwise flow, and that's what helps to fuel those thunderstorms. And again, this same scenario is that area of low pressure very slowly makes its way to the northeast over the next 48 hours. By Wednesday, it'll be on to the east, but we'll see a new area of low pressure which will bring in some much cooler temperatures as it moves in from the north. But again, the next 48 hours, we're watching very closely. I can see tonight, here comes that second round of thunderstorms, pretty much same places that saw them last night. As we head into Tuesday, we'll see those continuing to be scattered throughout the Cascades and pushing into the valley once again. By Wednesday, most of the thunderstorms should be to the east of us, but then we see chances for some light rainfall and cooler temperatures moving in from the west. To the coast, you're headed back to the mid-60s, much cooler again for you folks today. Continue to see possible isolated showers tonight and a possible clap of thunder as well. For the UMPQUA Basin, it's mid to upper 90s with those possible thunderstorms again tonight. Cascades, strong thunderstorms, possible hail, heavy rain and strong winds from these storms. You do want to be prepared if you're going to be in that area. For Central Oregon, same story, thunderstorms tonight, high temperatures back into the low 90s for you. And for the Willamette Valley, we're headed back to the low to mid 90s. Possible thunderstorms tonight. With that comes not only the thunder and lightning, but some possible gusty winds and some downpours, even some small hail a possibility. Otherwise, over the next 7-day stretch, coast seeing chances for some light rain through Thursday morning, dry and mild this weekend. The UMPQUA Basin moving from the 90s to the 80s, even low 80s here by the middle portion of the week. For the Cascades, good chances for thunderstorms through Thursday, but otherwise pretty quiet this weekend. And for the Willamette Valley, 90s today, upper 80s tomorrow, will eventually cool down into the upper 70s midweek, but again, chances for thunderstorms through at least Tuesday, possibly Wednesday.